We will be talking about one of the best and greatest countries in Africa. That is Ethiopia. So definitely stick around to the end of the video, where we reveal the first African female pilot and the first person to drive a car in Africa, and where coffee was discovered. Number 1. Ethiopia has 13 months in their calendar year, and it is 7.5 years behind the Gregorian calendar. Ethiopia celebrates its new year on September 11th. Number 2. Ethiopia has been mentioned 40 times in the Bible. Number 3. With 102 million people, it is the second most populous country in Africa after Nigeria. Number 4. Ethiopia is one of the only two countries that were never colonized during the scramble and partition of Africa. Number 5. Ethiopia has a distinct alphabet from the rest of the world, and over 80 languages are spoken, but English is most prominent. Number 6. Coffee was discovered in Ethiopia in the Kaffa region. Number 7. The oldest fossil of the earliest man was discovered here. Number 8. Founded in 980 BC, Ethiopia is one of the oldest nations in the world. Number 9. The Great Rift Valley cuts through Ethiopia from northeast to south of the country and is the only physical feature of Africa that is visible from space. Number 10. Donkeys and camels were first domesticated in Ethiopia. Number 11. Ethiopian long-distance runner Abebe Bikiller was the first black African to win the gold medal in the Olympic marathon in 1960, while the long-distance runner Haile Gebrselassie set a world record for the marathon in Berlin in 2008 and won Olympic gold medals twice in 1996 and 2000 in the 10,000 meters. Number 12. Ethiopian Emperor Menelik II was the first African to drive a car in 1907. Number 13. Ethiopia is home to the source of the Blue Nile, which together with the White Nile makes up the Nile River, the longest river in the world. Number 14. Addis Ababa is Ethiopia's capital city at 2,400 meters above sea level. It is the fourth highest capital city in the world and the headquarters of the African Union. Number 15. Ethiopian female pilot Asgada Aksafa is the first African female to fly an airplane. Number 16. Ethiopia was the first African nation to join the League of Nations. Number 17. On August 12, 2012, Ethiopia became the first country in Africa and the second in the world to own and operate a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Owned by Ethiopian Airlines, the aircraft was named